Our first award for this evening, ladies and gentlemen, is the Excellence in Building and Construction Award. The Building and Construction Award is presented by TAFE Illawarra. This category relates to businesses engaged in the construction and building industry.
TAFE Illawarra is pleased to sponsor the 2013 Momentum Energy Illawarra Business Award for Excellence in Building and Construction. We train highly skilled apprentices and deliver professional qualifications for the whole industry. Skills improve productivity and build prosperity for business. TAFE provides training the construction industry needs to build a sustainable region. We are proud of our contribution to building the skills needed by people across the region and congratulate the finalists for their contribution to excellence. The winner of the Excellence in Building and Construction, congratulations to JDC Electrical.
Without the commitment, the passion and the determination of our staff, we wouldn't be where we are today. To us, it's recognition of the quiet achiever. It's a company that normally keeps to itself, doesn't convey its successes on a lot of occasions, but certainly in the last 12 months has grown from being a small to medium-sized business to a larger-sized business, and from our perspective, certainly one of the more formidable providers of services in our industry.